Now, we are going to create a to-do list using Python. Let us start with creating a simple menu to add, delete, view the tasks. Let us keep in a loop so that it shows menu until user exit it manually. We will start with while true. And add menu, add task, view tasks, delete task and exit as 4 options. For that, we are adding 5 print statements and static text in the double quotes. Let us take the input from user using input function and take the choice as number. So, based on the choice of the user, let us write an if and elif statements. If the choice is 1, then let us call the add task method. Else if the choice is 2, then let us call the view task method. Else if the choice is 3, let us call the delete task method. And if it is 4, we say goodbye and exit the loop. That is break. Else, we ask the user to enter a valid number from 1 to 4. Let us initialize as an empty list to store tasks. And then define a function or method add_task, in which we prompt the user to enter the task which needs to be added. We append this task to the tasks list and print a message to the user that the task is added. Let us define the view_tasks function now, which will be used to display the current tasks in the list. For that, let us iterate through the tasks list. Enumerate the tasks with index numbers and start the index from 1. So, printf curly braces index.curly braces task. And also, if there are no tasks, then we display a message that the list is empty. Now, let us define the delete_task function. Here, we will show the list of current tasks available by calling view_tasks method. Then, prompt the user to input the index number of the tasks they want to delete. But as you know, the list index starts from 0. We have to subtract 1 from the input entered by the user. And we write a if condition to check if the number entered by user is in valid range. And then delete the task from the list of tasks and print out the message. Else, we print the number is invalid. Also, I will introduce something here. In case a user enter a text instead of number, it will throw an error. So, let us try block here. And accept value error so that it catches this error and print the message, please enter a valid number. Let us test it. So, click on the run. So it prints the menu and we enter 1 to add the task. Let us add a create a program. Let us add another 1 create another project. Now, we enter 2 to view the tasks. So we are see 2 tasks. And we choose 3 to delete. So you can see here that it shows all the tasks and we entered 1 and see the task will be deleted. See here, we have only 1 task left. Now, enter 4 to exit the execution.